there. This is the onboarding video for setting up Standup Alice inside of Slack. This is going to help you go over any onboarding questions that you may have in the next 5 minutes so that you can get back to what you do best. So first off, if you go ahead and go to the standupalice.com website, if you want to set up Standup Alice, you can go ahead and click log in. This is going to take you to whatever channel you and your team typically use. Now for this video, we're going to be using Slack. So we're going to go ahead and click log in with Slack. So I'm going to click on that and it's going to load. In this given account, you're going to make sure that you give access for your particular workspace to give access over to Standup Alice. So you're going to go ahead and click accept and continue. And then it's going to take you inside of the account where you can create your first stand-up. Now, for this specific account, we have already created a stand-up, but for this video, we're going to show you how to set up your first stand-up. Now, the great thing about Standup Alice is that it doesn't have to just be for stand-up meetings. It can be a retrospective of gathering feedback on what went well and what didn't go well in other meetings. It can be a sales report. This can really be used across all teams, whatever your job is. This is a great way to be able to check in on what people are doing inside of your organization without feeling like a micromanager. You can also build your own and ask your own custom questions. For this specific video, we're going to be using this template of the daily stand-up. We're going to go ahead and name this Daily Stand-Up Number 1. We're going to put this inside of the channel Daily Huddle, which is where me and this team are going to run our daily huddle. We're going to add our team members. Now, these are all of the people that I have in this specific organization, in this specific workspace. If there was a certain team that I wanted to make sure that they always responded, or other people who I didn't want to respond, like somebody in marketing responding to a sales stand-up, I wouldn't want them. But I'm going to go ahead and add everybody in here. Whoop, awesome. Okay, and then we are going to go ahead and click on these questions. I like what these questions are. I'm going to change impediments. I'm going to do any blockers in your way. I think that's a great word to put in there. And then you can choose when you want this stand-up to be run inside of that channel. So for us, our stand-up time is at 10 o'clock every single day, Mountain Standard Time. You can click these notifications of when your team will be reminded when they need to fill out their stand-up. And if you want to send another reminder, just to make sure that they're going to fill it out. You could also go through these advanced options of anything that you want to do to customize how Alice sends out these reminders. If you want to pause this stand-up, if you want to send it across multiple time zones, which again is great for asynchronous teams. And then once you're done with creating all of that, you're going to go ahead and click save in the upper right-hand corner. Now we see this daily stand-up 1 is already set up. Now I'm going to go inside of my Slack channel and I'm going to look inside of here, and I see that this daily stand-up has been set up, and it gives a lowdown of what the stand-up is going to do, when it's going to be sent out, and who is invited. Now the following day, I'm going to go ahead and look inside of this app list. If you don't already have her installed, you can go ahead and click add apps and search for Alice by name inside of the Slack app directory. I already have her downloaded, but if you don't, it'll look similar to this, and just click add. Click on here, and then it'll say add the app instead of configuration. And then coming back over here to Alice, we go to messages. Now we just barely started this, we just barely created this huddle. So if this was on a given day, I'm gonna type hi and say hi to Alice. And I have multiple huddles that I'm a part of. Now I'm gonna go ahead and click on daily stand-up number 1, which is the one we just created. What did I complete yesterday? I completed marketing presentation with Keith. Committing to today, having a meeting with Melissa. When do I think I'll be done with that? By end of day. Any blockers in my way? I need the sales approval form from Luis, and click submit. Now, Alice will react with an emoji, and your responses will be captured inside of this channel, Daily Huddle. So that's through how to set up Stand Up Alice inside of your Slack work channel.